to stop starting over every month and finally build momentum. If you're sick of feeling like you're always starting from scratch, this is for you. I know what it's like to feel like you're spinning your wheels. You try something new, you get excited, maybe even get a few wins, but then it fizzles out. I spent years like that, and it wasn't because I was lazy or didn't want it bad enough. It was because I didn't have the right system, one built on consistency, automation, and mentorship. That's very important. Once I found that, changed everything for me. I stopped scrambling, I stopped chasing, and I started building momentum that actually lasted. This business model doesn't rely on trends or algorithms. It relies on proven systems that really work, even when life gets messy. You get automation, you get profit, you get mentorship, and you get peace of mind. If you're tired of burning out and starting over, comment, info, or visit my site. You deserve momentum, not burnout. Build what lasts. Go to my site, Holly Pring Daily Pay, or comment start, and I'll send you all the details.